Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to hard reset your Xbox Series. Go to settings from top right, then go to system and click on console info. Now click on reset your console. If you want to clear the cache, then click on reset and keep my games and apps. If you want to erase everything, then click on reset and remove everything. And another method is go to your Xbox console, then unplug the power cable for about 30 seconds, then plug it back. Now press and hold the sync and power button at the same time. After power box light appears, then leave the button. Then leave the sync button. Now click on reset this Xbox. By following these steps, you can hard reset your Xbox series.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.